Hey guys, you're watching Unrevealed Facts, where we let you explore the world, witness eye popping natural phenomena, and virtually tour the countries you have always dreamed of traveling. From the beauty of the Northern Lights, rich history, wildlife, architectural wonders to natural scenery, Europe offers endless breathtaking landscapes that make you feel more alive. Today, we will reveal the hidden and less explored facts of some of the most famous European countries. So, let's take a quick tour of 5 amazing facts of countries which will never fail to surprise you. But before we start, if you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to know more about various countries across the globe. Also, follow us on Instagram at UnrevealedFacts89. Here comes the 5 astonishing facts about the land of midnight sun, also known as Norway.
A happy, prosperous, wealthier peninsular island that reaches straight to the heart of people at very first glance. Norway, as we all know, is known for the Viking, where the people coming from the region known as Norse raided and traded various parts of the Europe and Asia while establishing the significant trade routes across the world. Among many known facts, the most notable one is that Norway accounts for the second highest GDP per capita among the European countries. Not only it bears the badge of a wealthier nation among the European countries, but stands second in the queue of countries that holds massive wealth in their coffers. Precisely, Norway is ranked as the second wealthiest nation in the world that managed to secure the third place in Happiness Index in 2019. Sounds like an earthly paradise, isn't it? So let's head to some lesser known facts about Norway that are completely unheard of and is bound to leave you surprised after you get a hold of it. Before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to watch interesting facts about the countries that we get you on your screens to increase your knowledge base. So here we go. Do you know Norway is actually Norge? Yes, you heard it right. Norway is actually the English name of the country. Norge is what they call their country in their native language. There are many versions of its name being called in various parts of the world, like Norwegian in Germany, Norvegia in Italian, Norrega in Spanish, and so on, out of which Norway is what stands popular and prevalent around the world. Salmon sushi was the invention of Norway. Despite the fact that sushi is called the invention of Japan, it was Norway who came up with the variation of salmon sushi back in 1980s and introduced it to Japan. It was said that initially Japan was skeptical of using raw salmon as an ingredient, being unsure of its health impact. But later, the sushi variant got popular among the masses, especially the youngsters, and eventually got the world's approval that today it is fondly savored in most parts of the world. Norway is an exporter of tap water. The water supply in the Norway comes from the high altitude glaciers, which is unparalleled to most of the water resources around the world. Known for its rich mineral value and sheer purity, it is so distinct in quality that Norway became an exporter of its tap water. Without having to go through any processing or filtration, its tap water is so pure that it could beat any well-established water brand that put their waters through numerous purification processes and quality checks. Nobel Peace Prize is awarded in Norway. The Nobel Prize is awarded in various categories of physics, chemistry, physiology, medicine, literature, and economic sciences, which is said to be conferred from the Stockholm, Sweden, except for the category of peace that is reserved for Oslo, the capital city of Norway. Norway is run by hydroelectric power plants. Despite having a huge oil reserves, Norway draws its domestic power usage from hydroelectric power plants. The oil reserves are so grand that a fund amounting to 1 trillion is created out of its proceeds in the name of Wealth Fund, which is reserved for the welfare of the people. Knowing all this, it is not difficult to decipher that how Norway managed to stand in the place where it is today. Norway, with its adept management, has taught the world on how to effectively channelize the available resources to its advantage, while remaining cautious in its approach. That's all for this video. We hope you liked the quick facts about the Norway, and would love to find the same about the other nations as well. To enjoy more such videos, subscribe to our channel where we let you have a magnified view of countries which you didn't get otherwise. And don't forget to click the bell icon for future updates.
Now we talk about another Scandinavian country which is also considered among the cleanest countries in the world. Here are 5 most mind-boggling facts about Sweden.
A place well known for its ultra-clean cities, impressive sceneries, and greatest of inventions. From the spine-tingling skyscrapers to the overwhelming view of northern lights, there is absolutely nothing that remains missing from this awe-inspiring location. Sweden, which is officially termed as the Kingdom of Sweden, holds a population of about 10 million people that makes it the most densely populated country among the other Scandinavian nations. From awarding famous Nobel Prizes to giving the world popular clothing brands like H&M, this country has a lot more in the store. So without any further ado, let's jump to the intriguing facts about Sweden to have your jaw-dropping expressions. Number 1. Sweden has a hotel made of ice. An ice hotel? Wondering if it's a spot to visit or a real hotel? Well, it's a hotel made of ice where you can schedule your stay for real. It is the first ever ice hotel in the world that has 55 rooms in it with every possible item made of ice. The strange thing about this hotel is that it gets melted every year and is rebuilt with the snow and ice blocks taken from River Tone to have it in a new concept each year. The hotel rooms bear no heating provision as such, but the beds are equipped with sleeping bags laid over the reindeer skins or fur for the tourists to have a relaxing stay. Or to say, a cozy stay in the midst of ice where the place gives the perfect impression of an ice castle made by the Disney princess Elsa. Worth exploring for at least once in this lifetime, isn't it? Number 2. Sweden has the highest tax rate. Sweden is a country that has the highest tax rate bracket of about 51% of its GDP. It follows a progressive tax rate where sufficient reserves are created for the welfare of people while diverting the largest proportion in the direction of social security systems. The state facilitates its citizens with the benefits of free education and healthcare services to have the best infrastructure in place to cater to their daily conveniences. Number 3. Skype came from Sweden. The famous telecommunication company Skype did come from Sweden. Skype was founded by Niklas Zennström from Sweden and Zenas Friis from Denmark in 2003. It was in 2011 when Microsoft acquired Skype for $8.5 million when this video chat and instant messaging software program started operating as a Microsoft division with currently headquartered in Luxembourg, USA. Number 4. Sweden is an importer of waste. Sweden's zeal for recycling is such that it imports the waste from Norway. Pondering as to why it has to import waste from other countries? Sweden's waste management system is so huge and efficient that it imports the waste from Norway and the UK. Number 5. Fika, a thoughtful culture. Fika literally means making time for coffee and snacking to spend some quality time with friends alongside the busy working hours in the office. Fika, that popped up as a popular Swedish culture where people meet and greet each other during the day to enjoy a cup of coffee with some cake and meatballs. It literally is used as a verb where people love to call it their fika time. The word fika originated from the word cafe, a slang for coffee that becomes fika on pronouncing it in the reverse order. Isn't it exciting to know that these little known facts help people develop a harmonious culture alongside building a prosperous economy for themselves? So that's all for this video. If you liked our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe along with pressing the bell icon to get the latest notifications from our site.
There is one more Nordic country which is considered among the world's happiest and most flourished countries. The country we are talking about is Denmark. Let's quickly reveal the 5 most unheard facts about Denmark.
Having spread around in more than 400 islands, Denmark has got many lesser known facts that might leave you in awe. So let's get started. Number 1. A Danish writer's fairy tale inspired the movie Frozen.
The famous Disney movie Frozen that slew the audiences across the world was inspired by a fairy tale, The Snow Queen, which was written by a Danish writer named Hans Christian Andersen. Andersen gave away many other captivating tales including The Little Mermaid, Ugly Duckling, Thumbelina, etc. that blossomed the childhood of millions, other than presenting the ideal plot for several award-winning Disney movies. Number 2. The famous toy company Lego came from Denmark. The famous toy company Lego, well known around the world for its interlocking plastic blocks, belongs to Denmark. The famous toy brand was visionary enough that it didn't keep its brand confined to the toys, but built many theme parks which today are running by the name of Legoland. The company Lego is the largest toy company in the world by its sales and revenue, which was founded by Olker Christensen of Denmark. Number 3. Denmark provides its citizens with free education. Like many other countries in the world, Denmark too facilitates its citizens with free education all along. Whether it's about providing the accommodation to the students or offering them the courses of their choice, the Danish government makes sure to take its complete charge by managing it efficiently from the chest of its huge tax collections. Number 4. Cycling is a prevalent activity in Denmark. Along with keeping alive the warm heated culture among the citizens, cycling is one thing that never goes off the minds of Danes. Witnessing their passion for staying healthy from both their mind and body, biking is one activity that you would commonly find on the road of Denmark. People not only take up cycling as a part of daily workout, but love to indulge in biking, from pursuing it in groups to having solo rides. After learning this, isn't it surprising as to why Copenhagen, the capital city of Denmark, was named as the world's best city for cyclists back in 2017? Number 5. The famous jewelry brand Pandora was given by Denmark. The fondest Pandora brand was a conception of Denmark. From a family-run jewelry shop to a renowned brand in the world, this famous jewelry brand, Pandora, today is having its own 2,400 concept stores in more than 100 countries. Known for its customizable bracelets and rings, this brand is no exception to the popular brands that are ruling the international markets, having emerged from a single point of sale. That's all for this video. We hope you like hearing the unrevealed facts of certain nations that help you gain a better perspective about their economy, culture, and practices. If you want us to bring more such facts, do like, share, and comment on this video. Also, press the bell icon to stay tuned with us while sharing your experiences, opinions in the comment section below. After Denmark, let's talk about the low-lying country of the Europe, that is the Netherlands. The country Netherlands is unusually flat, having large stretch of beautiful lakes, rivers and pretty canals. In fact, it is not only flat but also a low-lying country, for 50% of its land lies below sea level. In order to protect it from rising waters, a chain of dikes and seawalls have been built across the nation. Well, it definitely doesn't sound flat at all. Before we talk about the 5 most intriguing facts of the Netherlands, make sure you subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram at UnrevealedFactsH9. So let's get into it one by one. Number 1. Netherlands and Holland are same but different. Got confused? Don't worry. There are many people who equate Netherlands with Holland, but there's a difference. The Netherlands refers to a country as a whole, whereas Holland is one of the popular provinces out of the total 12 provinces and comprises of 2, the North and the South Holland. Historically, Holland province, which included capital city Amsterdam, The Hague and Rotterdam, was the main center from where traders used to go far off places, and hence Holland got more popular than the Netherlands. Number 2. Netherlands is the first country to legalize same-sex marriages. Back in 2001, Netherlands expanded its law and took a historic step to become the first ever country in the world to legalize same-sex marriage. Today, same-sex marriage is possible in 9 other countries besides Netherlands. Additionally, Netherlands is also famed for being a very liberal, independent, tolerant towards other ethnicity, its culture and ideas. In fact, its capital city Amsterdam is home to more than 180 nationalities. Number 3. Netherlands' distinctive simple tulips actually came from Turkey.
Tulip may be a Dutch thing today, but they were actually imported from Ottoman Empire. One of the most famous plant tulips primarily came from Turkey's Central Asia. The noted botanist Carolus Clusius first brought the tulip's bulb and planted them on Dutch soil around 1593. And today, the country is categorized as the single major exporter of tulips. Number 4. For Dutchies, bikes are like from cradle to grave. The Netherlands is home to more than 22 million bicycles in contrast to 17.4 million population of the country. Yes, you heard it right. In order to boost green economy and reduce car traffic, the Dutch government highly promotes cycling to fight road congestion. As a matter of fact, averagely a Dutchie cycles 2.5 km per day and 900 km per year. Number 5. Dutchies boast highest per capita consumption of liquors in the world. Netherlands eats more licorice than any other country in the world. The people are so much in love with this treat that the annual consumption crosses 32 million kilos of licorice. Now that's a lot of candies. Licorice, or drop as Dutchies calls it, is a candy which is extracted from the root of Glycyrrhiza glabra. Licorice comes in different taste and flavor from sweet to salty and in varied sizes too. Besides, it also contains several medicinal properties too. So if you haven't tasted drop yet, you're really missing a yummy treat in life. For quick travel, visa and immigration services, just click on our sister company's website www.visaleads.com. Thanks for checking out this video. I'm sure by now you must have discovered something new about this fascinating country after listening to the unrevealed facts about the Netherlands. To know more about such amazing and fun facts about different countries, press the bell icon to stay tuned for such enthralling videos. Also, don't forget to like, comment and share the video. See you soon with another country, another wonder.
Home to world's most active volcanoes and largest glaciers in Europe, Iceland offers a wealth of natural beauty. Here are 5 unbelievable facts about the Iceland.
With more than 3 lakh population, Iceland, encapsulating wondrous winter landscapes in its lap, has many obscure features that build the core character of this nation. It is one of those places whose major population chunk is settled in less than 0.2% of its total area that stands none other than its capital city, Reykjavik. Surprising, isn't it? So without wasting a minute, let's jump to the interesting facts about Iceland that won't be less than any 9-day wonder. Number 1. Iceland is a hub of volcanoes. Due to its situation above the mid-Atlantic ridge, Iceland has about 30 active volcano sites that roughly erupt once in every 4 years. This is the reason why Iceland encompasses multiple hot springs, which is a major attraction for the visitors to come and enjoy a healing bath in its cozy and therapeutic waters. Number 2. 11% of Iceland is covered by ice. It is natural for anyone to wonder why the place is named Iceland. Is there even a natural significance of ice to do with its name? Well, yes. As the name suggests, it is called Iceland for a major percentage of the country, 11% to be precise, is covered by the ice and glaciers. Now we know why it is called the place of fire and ice. The dual combo of glaciers and volcanoes is what lands Iceland in its unique category. Number 3. Iceland offers a spectacular display of northern lights. Apart from the Scandinavian siblings, if there's any other place from where you can have the magnificent view of northern lights, it is Iceland. Despite its eccentric topography of snow-covered glaciers and volatile volcanic sites, there is a great adventure, or say treasure for the visitors, in the form of hot springs and glowing skylights that make the tourist visit worthwhile. Number 4. Game of Thrones was filmed in Iceland. The pristine beauty of snow-covered ranges is a great attraction for not only the visitors but for the production houses as well. Iceland was one of the destinations where the famous television series Games of Thrones was filmed, which is a highly admired fantasy series with over 10 million viewers across the world. Number 5. Icelanders believe in elves and trolls. We might call it a part of fantasy fiction, but for Icelanders, elves and trolls is a real thing. The trolls that played a key role in the movie Frozen can be a real reason for the Icelanders to not demolish their rock structures. There are many tales and stories about these mythical creatures that indeed form an integral part of Iceland's folklore. Well, that's all for this video. We hope you enjoyed listening to the intriguing facts about Iceland. To get the notification for more such videos, press the bell icon. And also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel where we post the interesting yet informative content for our viewers. Also follow our Instagram account at unrevealedfacts89. See you in the next video with a new country where wonders will never cease.
One of the oldest countries of Europe that looks small in size but will definitely going to surprise you with its unrevealed facts. Here are 5 lesser known facts about Portugal.
Situated on the Iberian Peninsula towards southwest corner of Europe, Portugal is home to more than 10 million population which boast of picturesque landscapes, villages, rich history, vibrant culture, traditional food and much more. Before jumping to 5 most astonishing facts about Portugal, make sure you subscribe to our channel for more infotainment videos. Also follow us on Instagram at unrevealedfacts89. So let's unfold the most westerly nation of Europe. Number 1. Portuguese is the official language of 9 other nations. Portugal may seem to be small in size, but its language, Portuguese is also the official language of 9 other countries. It is estimated that more than 230 million people worldwide are Portuguese speakers. Apart from Portugal, Portuguese is the official language of Brazil, Angola, Cape Verde, Guinea-Bissau, Mozambique, Sao Tome and Principe, Macau, and Equatorial Guinea. Number 2. Portugal is home to world's oldest operating bookstore. Founded in the year 1732, Bertrand is the world's oldest bookstore situated in the esteemed capital of the Portugal. Guinness Book of Records recognized it for the same in the year 2011. The bookstore has witnessed many moments of history and it has always been a delight for the tourists and intellectuals across the globe. Number 3. Longest bridge of Western Europe is in Portugal. With a long stretch of more than 17 kilometers and named after the prominent Portuguese discoverer, Vasco da Gama Bridge is the longest bridge of Western Europe. This engineering masterpiece was opened for traffic in the year 1998 and also marked the 500th anniversary of Vasco da Gama discovery of sea route from Europe to India. The bridge connects the northern part of the Portugal with its southern part. Number 4. Nearly 2/3 of Portugal's energy comes from renewable resources. Portugal is fast emerging as a leader in the way it utilizes its energy sources. The country has shown an exemplary conduct by investing heavily in renewable energy. So much so that the country's total domestic needs can easily be fulfilled by the use of wind, hydro and solar power. Moreover, there are floating wind farm and wave roller projects which converts the ocean waves into electricity. Needless to say that this Asian country is utilizing every possible modern tools and technology to emerge as a leader in the field of renewable energy. Number 5. Portugal is home to multiple heritage sites and older cities. You will be surprised to know that there are 15 UNESCO World Heritage Sites in Portugal. This makes Portugal one of the most visited tourist attractions worldwide. The country's capital, Lisbon, is in fact the second oldest capital of Europe after Athens. It sounds crazy, but surprisingly, it is 4 centuries older than Rome as its history dates back to around 1200 BC. Now you know why it is the most preferred tourist destination. For quick travel visa and immigration services, just click on our sister company's website www.visaleads.com. Thanks for watching this video. I hope Portugal's mesmerizing colorful beaches, scenic landscapes and lesser known facts must have satisfied your mind and soul. To know more about such amazing facts of different countries, press the bell icon to stay tuned for such enriching videos. Also, don't forget to like, comment and share the video. Till then, take good care and we'll be back very soon.
Also known as the land of 1,000 lakes, Finland's 5 most intriguing facts will surely inspire you to add this country in your bucket list for the next trip.
Are you planning to pick Finland as your travel destination by any chance? If so, go through these quick facts to see how your travel experience is likely to be. And even if you have been here before, we bet, lo and behold, you would be amazed to realize the intriguing facts about Finland. So let's begin. But before starting with the facts, if you haven't subscribed to our channel as yet, click on the bell icon to get our latest notifications. Number 1.
Happiest country. Finland is the happiest country around the world. It has successfully managed to stick to the number one position according to the World Happiness Report. Finland has stood the happiest country in the world 3 times in a row, which says